Okay, tell Mommy you want to take a picture.
I take a picture.
Please.
Please.
What do you take a picture of?
I take a picture, Maggie.
You want to take a picture of Maggie?
Okay.
Oh, well, that'll be a very nice picture. Yeah.
Very nice picture.
Did you get a baby doll today?
Yeah.
Go get her and show her to me. Where is she? She's over there. Did you take all of her clothes off? Yes, you did. You did. Does the baby doll go pee-pee in the toilet?
Yeah.
Does Maggie go pee-pee in the toilet?
Yeah.
No.
No.
No, you tried with no success.
Sean, take a picture.
Do you miss Uncle Don?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say Uncle Don?
Uncle Don.
Say miss you, Uncle Don.
Miss you, Uncle Don.
Do you miss Grandma, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you sing Mommy a song?
Yeah.
Okay, sing me a song.
E-I-E-I-O. Twinkle,
That's not okay. Try again. Twinkle, twinkle,
twinkle, twinkle.
little star.
Little star.
Come
How
on.
I know what you are? Hi. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I know what you are?
Good girl. That was good. That was really good, Maggie. Do you want to sing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Hi. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I know what you are.
Okay, let's sing a different one now. Do you want to sing